pork butt roast. This is perfect for slow cooking because all this meat's just gonna break down and get nice and tender. Take a look at this. This is the skin, but once it's cooked, this turns into crackling. Oh, and crackling is so delicious. We used to fight over this when I was a kid. But this needs some kind of paste. So I'm gonna do slash rub, slash marinade. I have all my ingredients in front. Got a little parsley, a little oregano, some thyme, and rosemary. I'm gonna strip all of this and get it into my blender. This is so herbalicious. Just take a look at all the herbs here. I've got some pungency, a little bit of pepper, got everything I could think of. Thyme in, touch of rosemary, little oregano. Just blend this up first. Garlic in. Just a quick blend, and then I'll add the rest of my ingredients. All right, started. Just a touch of brown sugar now for some sweetness. Not too much. That's also gonna help tear some of those fibers and get right in there. Some chili flakes. Touch of paprika for some color and some sweetness. Get that in. Little dash of onion salt. Now, using salt in marinades, not a good thing generally speaking, but this is such a big fat cap. It's gonna be a long time before all this salt breaks this down. So this is just for even more flavor. Get that in. Touch of pepper. Couple shakes of Worcestershire. Shake, shake, shake. And then I'll pour in my oil in a steady stream. Just a quick taste. That brown sugar, the chilies, all those herbs. This is herbalicious. Gotta start rubbing though. Get all of this onto the pork. Get in there with your hands. Just rub that all in. Just think about all of these flavors just sitting here with this overnight. Get it on the other side too. And just rub. All right. The paste is all over the pork now. Generally, I always leave my mark, but this time I'm really gonna leave my mark. Whew. Take a look at this. A little R for Robbie. I've just scored this so that all that fat drips right down into the meat and adds even more flavor. But I gotta get it into my bag, into the fridge for 24 hours. My pork butt roast sat in this paste for 24 hours. Take a look at the color change on it. Whew, this thing is ready to go to the grill. Come on out, Mr. Pork. Oh, I can just smell all those herbs on here. The oregano, the thyme, the rosemary, even that garlic, the chilies. This is so ready to go to the grill. All right, pork's ready to go on the grill. Very cold right now. Gotta set it up. Take my tray out. Drip tray. All that pork fat is gonna drip down. It's got a place to go. Gonna use a few herbs, a little rosemary, a little thyme, a little oregano, a little parsley. Put that in. Just a touch of beer. Pour that in. That's just gonna steam up there and give us a great little sauna inside. Rack back over it. Pork on top of the drip tray. Remember, all that fat's gonna drip down and just make it even more tender and flavorful. Turn your barbecue on now. That's on. I'm gonna cook this with indirect heat. That means no heat here, medium heat here. close the lid now. This is gonna cook for 6 hours at 220 degrees Fahrenheit, 110 degrees Celsius. Remember, that's a long time. Just make sure you keep coming back to check it. But this is gonna be so good and so tender. It's been 6 hours now. Oh my goodness, look at this pork roast. All those flavors. I can just smell the beer in here, the thyme, the oregano, the rosemary, and the parsley. Whew! I gotta taste this crackling, though. I fought many a sibling for this. Just like candy. This is so ready to come off now. Get that off. Take a look at that drip tray. All that beer, right in here now. Those herbs, everything is mirrored right into this. So it's important at this point to tent it. Tenting will just allow it to relax, rest up, get nice and juicy.